Hello guys, this time I'm gonna make Biringhi. It's a Kapampangan food that we always have it whenever we have fiesta in the village or barangay. So okay, I'm gonna tell you what we need. We're gonna use this 16 ounces of sweet rice, 2 bags, 4 coconut milk, chicken bouillon, chorizo, there's 2 pieces, Vienna sausage, turmeric powder, salt and pepper, some fish sauce, chicken already diced, is breast chicken. We'll use garlic, onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrots, and green peas. I also have 5 eggs, hard-boiled eggs for topping. Okay, so this is the sweet rice, 2 bags, and I'm gonna soak this in water for 30 minutes, and then after I soak it for 30 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna start cooking my Kapampangan Biringhi version. So I'm gonna put oil here. Breast chicken already have salt and pepper. Chorizo de balbao, Chinese sausage they call it. Cook it for like 2 minutes. Okay, next, Vienna sausage. Also cook it less than 2 minutes just to brown it. So I have breast chicken there, Vienna sausage, and my Chinese sausage, chorizo de bilbao, something like that. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start cooking the vegetable. Put a little bit more oil. I'm gonna cook the red bell pepper like 2 minutes. A little bit salt, pepper. Okay, next is the green bell pepper. A little bit ground pepper, a little bit salt. Okay, let's start cooking. Gonna put oil, just a little bit oil. Garlic. Onion. Turmeric powder. About 2 teaspoons for now. And if we need it, we'll add more later. Okay. Now we're gonna add chicken. put chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons. Cup of water. So simmer this for like maybe 15 minutes. Put a cover, then we'll be back. Okay, let's check the chicken. Let's put a little bit of this coconut milk. This is 3 cans for now. Put a little bit coconut cream, so it's already have a flavor. What we're doing here is we're just cooking the chicken a little bit more. Okay, cover. Just simmer a little bit. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, let's see what's going on to the chicken. What I'm doing here is I just want the chicken to be fully cooked. So the next step is I'm gonna put carrots, green peas, some of this bell pepper, leave some for topping, like that. This is for topping. Salt. Okay. Pepper. We're gonna put the chorizo. Okay. Stir it. Cover and cook it for like 5 minutes. Now it's time to put the fish sauce. Not too much, we don't want it too salty. That's probably 1 tablespoon. Maybe 2 more minutes. Okay, 2 minutes is done. So we're going to transfer all this stuff because we're going to cook the rice, the sweet rice next. Okay? Okay, we're back. We're gonna put half a teaspoon of this turmeric powder, like that. By the way, here's the other stuff that I separate from the sauce. Now I'm gonna put the white sweet rice. I already drained it, so I'm gonna put it here. combine all of the sauce to your rice. And once everything is combined, that's when you're gonna put the coconut milk. In about 2 minutes, okay? We'll be back. Okay, this is the coconut milk cans. Put it into the rice. Like I said, I have one more. If I need it, I will add it to the rice, okay? So let's stir this. So what I'm doing now is I'm stirring the coconut milk to the sweet rice, and then after it all combined, and then I'm gonna cover it and cook it slow, very low, then simmer. It's just like cooking rice, okay? So now I'm gonna cover and put it on low. There, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, let's check the rice, see what's going on. See if we need to add more of this last coconut milk. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna add one more of the coconut milk. Together I use 4 of this coconut can. I also prepared this. This is where I'm gonna finish cooking it. Banana leaves in another pan. Okay. So let's see. Let's taste it. See if we need more salt. Okay. Needs more salt. Keep on stirring. Cover and simmer. This is like cooking rice. Okay? Okay, let's check the rice. Guys, once in a while, you have to stir the rice so it doesn't stick on the pan, so it doesn't burn. Let's see the rice, almost done. No, it's still hard. Okay, it's time to check the Biringhi. Wow. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put all this stuff in here. Mix it all up to the rice. Okay, a little bit at a time so I don't spill it. rest. After I mix this, I'm gonna put it in that banana leaves, okay? We'll be back. Okay, I turn off the fire. So I mixed up everything, and then I'm gonna put it here and cook it again. The only reason why I'm putting it there because that way the rice won't burn, and this is how we do it in the barangay in our province, Pampanga. Okay, let's put it here now. So you transfer it a little bit at a time. Now we're gonna put the sausage. I didn't mix the sausage because I don't want it to get mushy. Alright, now we're gonna cover with banana leaves. The banana leaves will give it also a flavor besides not burning the rice. So you cover the rice like this, because this is the way we do it in the jungle, Pampanga style. Cover it. Turn on the fire, very low. Cook it like another 20 minutes until it's done. We'll check it. All right? We'll be back. Now it's time to check the biringhi. Okay? Let's see on the bottom. You want to make sure it's not burning on the bottom. All right, it's not burning. So let's mix it again one more time. Okay, this time I'm gonna check the rice if the rice is already done. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes and it should be done. Then we're gonna transfer in another container. Okay? See you later. Okay, biringhi is done. Now it's time to decorate the biringhi. Okay, so I put the bell pepper. Now I'm gonna put the eggs. I'm gonna slice the eggs. Okay, this is what it looks like. All right.